Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentice Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called Azure Subdomain Enumeration. So Azure Subdomain Enumeration is specialized for subdomain enumeration tool tailored for Azure service. This tool is designed to meticulously search and identify subdomains associated with the various Azure services through a combination of techniques and queries. Azure SubEnum uh, dives into an Azure domain structure, systematically probing and collecting a subdomains related to the diverse a range of Azure service. So how it will be work? Azure sub-enumeration operates a leveraging DNS resolution techniques and systematic permutations methods to unveil a subdomains associated with Azure service such as Azure app and storage accounts, Azure database including like MassSQL, Cosmos DB, and Redis server, and key wallets like Content Directory Network and emails, SharePoints, Azure containers, and registry, and much more functionalities extends to the comprehensively scanning a different Azure service domains to identify associated subdomains. So we would like to look this one. So first open the terminal. I just type as git clone and paste the repository. So I just go as simply here github.com. Azure SubEnum. So we would like to clone this. So once we have cloned this, just type Azure SubEnum. Now we just type list. So first we would like to install the requirements. So it was done. Now just type clear here. Now just type list. Now just type Python 3. So just copy and paste it. Azure SubEnum. So I'd like to type minus help. Here we have got it here. So I need to specify now as an targeted URL like a base. So I would like to take as a base as retail corporation, and I would like to specify as threats. Threats is I specify as 10, and I specify also a verbose, this one. So just copy, oh, sorry, 10 verbose. Now let's look here. So I have got a little bit here like retail corporation with or Microsoft.com found. So I have got a little bit one. So you can try of your targeted domain, otherwise targeted specific organization name. So that will be give you at least a simple a data here. Now we would like to try here. We have got here this verbose and everything. Now I would like to also would like to go here as again as minus help. So I would like to give as now I would like to remove this one. So I would like to give as an permutations here. So just copy and paste it, and you can enter the permutations.txt. So where in the file here it's already have, so just copy and paste it. Here is an permutations.txt. Then also you can specify here as verbose. That's it. Now let's see here. So where subdomains is there, that will be all you can get all here. You can look here. What else it have? It will be displayed all here. That's it. So you can targetly specify like your own organizations. So that's better. That's it. So it will take a too long lengthy time process. So I'm just quitting here. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.